So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time.
Hey guys, it's Hailey. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't been uploading for like the last 2 weeks, but I'm here, and today is a very different video. Well, not very different, but I am heading to Ohio to see my mom. I haven't seen her in a month and a half, so I'm really excited to see her. But this weekend, today's Thursday, I'm going to be up here till Sunday, but I am going to be doing like a little travel vlog with you all. Right now I'm stuck in traffic, almost in Cincinnati. So, yeah. If my camera is shaky, I'm sorry. My car is shaking. Okay, hold on. Please stop. Thanks. No, that's not gonna work. Oh, wait. Anyways. I'm driving into Cincinnati. Traffic sucks. Whatever. But this weekend, we are going to be doing a couple things. I'm going to be probably going thrifting while I'm up here, because this is like really good to thrift at. May go towards Dayton. They have some really good like Salvation Armies and Goodwills and stuff up there. And go to the mall. Might pick up a couple of things. Yeah. So, I thought I would let you all in on this little adventure of mine. I do come up here like once a month. Usually it's been a little bit longer because she came up to where I live the last time, so I drove up here this time. And I thought I would bring you all along with me to see what all goes on. So I will talk to you all again when I get closer to where she lives. So, peace out. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm with my mommy. I didn't vlog anything yesterday when I got there, but it's the next day, so it's Friday, and right now we are going to Plato's Closet because she supports my thrifting habits. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna go thrift shopping today. We went to a Goodwill and Salvation Army where she lives yesterday, and I found like 3 Life is Good shirts, which I'm wearing one of them right now, but I found 3 of them and I got them for like $2.50 a piece, so that's a steal. And
turn right onto Dock Drive, then turn left.
Right now we're going to Plato's to see if we can find anything. Yay, because I love Plato's Closet. So I will see you all in there.
Turn left, then turn right.
Hey guys, it's Hailey from Aiden. But I didn't get a whole lot of footage while we was thrifting because it's kind of awkward in the stores, but whatever. But if you want to see a haul video on what I got the last couple of days / weeks when I went a couple weeks ago, let me know and I'll film a haul video for you all, because I got a ton of stuff that I really didn't need, but I got it anyways. And yeah, so bye. So last night we decided that we was going to dye my hair. And I didn't show this on video, but we dyed my hair, what was it, dark brown? Yeah. We used the On dark brown, I think it was 4N on my hair all over. And now we are using, so we used the one and only color fix on my hair, and we're going to be dyeing the tips of my hair a color. We don't know how it's going to turn out, but my mom did go to cosmetology school. Well, she didn't graduate, but she went. And we're using, this is kind of like a hair stripper, like a color stripper on your hair. So it's not bleach, but it's like, it does the similar thing that bleach does. It just don't hurt your hair as bad. Yeah, it's not gonna ammonia in it, so it doesn't damage your hair. But we are doing like, kind of like, we're doing kind of like a balayage thing on my hair to strip the color, and then we're going to be adding a color over top of it, so it's not going to be like dark brown black to like blonde. We're just doing like kind of baby lights in it, and then we're going to do the tips of it a different color. So yeah, we're going to see how this turns out. and I'll show you all later what color I'm doing. Hey guys, I'm back. I know I look like a complete idiot right now, but that's okay. Hold on. That's okay. So right now, we did put the color remover on my hair, and it did bring my hair up about 2 or 3 levels, but we wanted it to be a little bit brighter, so we went and picked up some bleach for my hair. Well, like, yeah, bleach. I don't know what kind we got, but we foiled it in my hair, and we're gonna see how many levels this brings it up, and hopefully this will bring it up enough to put the color we want on it, and then we're gonna put the actual color on it after I wash this out. Okay guys, so I am back after I processed the bleach. I think we ended up leaving it on there for like probably 35-40 minutes. I know bleach does deactivate after a while, but I think we ended up leaving it on there for like 40 minutes. But this is what it looks like as of right now. I know it looks like a little janky and stuff, but okay. So there's the tips of my hair. Looks like there's a lot of discoloration, but that will be okay because the color that I'm doing on my hair is this color here. This is the Color Charm Paints by Wella. I use their toners a lot when I used to have blonde hair, but this is the semi-permanent hair color in teal. This is what it's supposed to look like. But yeah, and then I'm going to be putting it through the ends of my hair. But this should come out pretty dark, so I'm gonna like blend it up, so of course like these spots that look like they're kind of straight across or whatever, I'm gonna blend them into my hair like to the darker color, so it shouldn't look nearly like as like chopped off and it's straight across. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing right now, and I'll see y'all back in a minute. So I just put a little bit of conditioner in. I think I ended up using like a half a tube of the color, the Wella color. This might not come out as green teal colored, but we shall see, I guess. So that's what it looks like. It's really dark in here, so I'm just gonna put this on the tips of my hair and pray that helps it comes out good. So I'm back, and I finally have let the green teal color process in my hair. I've barely had enough to cover the rest of my hair, so we'll see how this turns out. I might have to go back to Sally's tomorrow and get another tube of the color and reapply it to some spots, because I don't know if I got all of them, but hopefully I did. Well, I got the majority of it, I know. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out, and I'll probably, if it doesn't need any more color, I'll style it tomorrow and I'll show you all. But yeah. Okay guys, so I haven't looked at my hair yet, but it is washed. I'm going to let it air dry so I don't have to put any more heat on it tonight, and I'm also going to put that hair mask on that I showed you all earlier. I'm going to leave that on and put a shower cap on and leave it on overnight so my hair can soak up the moisture, because it is kind of dry right now because of the bleach and the heat that I've been putting on it all day. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that on and I'll show you tomorrow morning what it looks like. Hey guys, I'm back. This vlog has been a lot of stupid stuff. It's very everywhere, but that's okay. So now, first little update. My hair's green. I ended up I did one round of the oops remover stuff. That brought it up like 2 or 3 levels, like I said. I ended up bleaching it with actual bleach or lightener, and it got blonde enough that I could put the dye on it. So yeah, but what I didn't show was after I'd done the Wella color on it, and the Wella color didn't really take to my hair that well. I guess I just didn't leave it on long enough. I left it on for like 35 minutes or something, but it didn't take to my hair very well. But I ended up getting the Phantom green by Arctic Fox. And if you don't know, what is her name? I don't know, but I'll insert a clip of it. But Arctic Fox is a hairline that this YouTuber that I watch has. So I ended up getting that because I had seen some like really good reviews on the color. So I got Phantom Green, and this is what it come out like. Kind of looks a little raunchy, but I'm probably gonna do another round of color on it and blend it a little bit better because, you know, but I'm gonna give my hair a little bit of a break since I did put bleach and stuff on it. So yeah, I look like a mermaid. But now I am out of Ohio. I'm heading back home, and I thought that I would speak about something for a few minutes. So where I live, I don't have Chipotle. I know Chipotle is great, but anyways, where my mom lives, they do have Chipotle, and I ate it while we was up there, and I really wanted it again. So I'm stopping before I get home and get Chipotle. And I'm really weird about stuff. Like, I don't like a lot of vegetables and things. I'm not a very healthy person. So I usually just get a bowl with chicken and brown rice and queso, and get a bag of chips because, you know, their chips are the bomb. But I'm probably going to stop at Chipotle and get something to eat, and then I might go to the tanning bed before I go home because I am pale as frick. So yeah, that's that. I did pick up a couple of things this weekend from like Plato's Closet and Goodwill and Salvation Army. We went to a lot of thrift stores. So I might put a haul at the end of this video, but if I don't, let me know in the comments if you want to see a haul about what I've got or what I picked up, because I ended up spending like $80 at thrift stores this weekend, which is not good. But I think I found a pair of heels for prom. I bought them. They're a little big, but they should be okay because I don't really wear them, but like to dinner and for pictures. So yeah, I did get some mom jeans. Woo! I've been wanting them forever, and I finally bought a pair. I ended up getting them at Forever 21 because I couldn't find any like vintage Levi ones, but I got this pair at Forever 21, and they're really freaking cute. I'll insert a picture of what they look like. But yeah, I was really excited about it because I really wanted some. So, if you see me rock the mom jeans this week, just know that I'm really happy. And if you don't like them, then frick off, because I like them. So I got those, and I got Forever 21 was having a sale thing or whatever. So I got a couple like of crop tops and like bodysuits and stuff to take on senior trip with me, and I will be vlogging my senior trip, so that's gonna be really fun because I'm going with like 6 of the girls that I'm friends with, and we're all going. Anyways, I got cut off, but me and some of my friends are going to on a senior trip really soon, and I'm really excited about it. Yeah, but it's like me and 6 other girls, and we rented an Airbnb to stay in for the weekend, and we're going to jam out all weekend. I'm really excited, but I'll probably be vlogging a lot of that just because I'm driving down there. I'm wanting to be one of the girls that's driving, so I can vlog, and it's gonna be super fun, super fresh, and we'll probably go thrift shopping while we're down there because I think that would be a good place for thrift shopping. If the girls want to get out and do it. I'm sorry, my camera's really shaky, but I'm going to cross the bridge. Anyways, so I'm going to be vlogging that, and it'll probably be a lot of footage, and we're probably going to go down there and take some cute pics or whatever. So, and we're going to have to dinner one night, like somewhere really fancy. So we're going to be like, maybe I'll like vlog a get ready with me or something, because there's going to be lots of girlies there. And yeah, so if you don't watch all my videos, follow me on Instagram because there's going to be a lot of cute pics posted then. I'll have my Instagram in the description. It's Hailey LaShay. Yeah. So I'm going to go find some Chipotle. and I'll talk to you guys later. But okay, so kind of pissed right now. So I came off the other exit and I was like, okay, there's a Chipotle here, whatever, blah, blah. So I drive over there. There's no Chipotle. That was my first one. I was mad. It was a Qdoba, or however the frick you pronounce that. I was mad. Anyways, so there was a Wendy's right beside it. So I proceed to go to Wendy's, right? Give me a second. No. Blech. I might puke. So there's the crossers for today. Pissed. Okay, bye. Okay, so once again, I did not end up closing out the video. So here I am. It's 11 o'clock at night and I'm editing. But, yeah, so that's the end of the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you want more stupid videos like this, let me know. And if you want the haul, tell me below if you want to see that. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe and give it a big thumbs up below, and share the video if you would like. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later, and peace out, homies.
Away. We don't need a plane. I could be